Hey guys, we're back with another grammar lesson for the week. Last time we talked about singular nouns. Singular nouns mean one, not two or more. You practiced using a and is for your grammar work last time. Today we're going to move on to plural. Plural means two, three, or more. Could mean two, could mean a million. Plural. So, for example, today, a sentence like cats are animals is a plural sentence. Cats means more than one cat. I know that because there's an S here. Are is the verb we use when we're talking about something plural. Last time we used is when we were talking about singular. And then at the end of this word, we added the S as well for animals. Cats are animals. Cat are animal? No good. Cats is animals? No good. Cats are animals is the correct way to say this plural sentence. Plural nouns end in an S. We only use a and an with singular nouns. So today we will not be using a and an. A singular noun is city or country, but in English, a plural noun would be cities or countries. But notice something. These end in the letter Y. To make them plural in English, we take off the Y and we add a special form. We change the letter Y and we add IES to make it plural. Here are some more examples. Canada and China are countries. Dogs and cats are animals. Two nouns connected by and are followed by the word are. Canada is a singular noun. China is a singular noun. They are connected by and together they make plural. I could say Pasemu and Matu are girls. When I connect their two names with and, it makes it plural, two. Let's try changing the singular sentences to plural sentences. Here we have an ant is an insect. To make it plural, we need to take off an. We need to add an S to ants and insects and change is to are. We then get ants are insects. Let's try another. A computer is a machine. That can't work. We're going to take off a. We're going to take off a here. And we need to change this word, computer. You should write computers. You should change is to are. And you should change machine to machines. Computers are machines is what goes on the line. Let's try one more. A dictionary is a book. We already know we need to take away the a. We're going to change is to are. And let's make them plural. Dictionary is singular. To make it plural, we need to add s. But we cannot add s to a word that ends in y. We need to change it. Remember, we change words that end in y and we add I-E-S. So what it should say is dictionaries are books. Dictionaries are books. Make sure you change the endings to plural. You're going to try the rest of these on your own on the line. Then we are going to do exercise 6. Complete the sentences with is or are from one of the nouns in the list. Use the correct singular form of the noun using a or an or the correct plural form. Let's take a look at the example. A dog, one dog, is an animal. A dog is an animal. This is a singular sentence. Now let's go to number 2. This is a plural sentence. Dogs. Can I say is? No. Can I say animal? No. I must change is to are, and I must add animals at the end. Now this sentence is plural. Let's try number 3 and number 4 together. Spanish. Some of you speak Spanish. Is Spanish an animal? No. Is it a city? No. We know it is a language. So we will write on the line, because we're only speaking of one language, Spanish is a language. Notice I say a in front of language, not an, because as we learned on Tuesday, if it starts with B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, anything but A, E, I, O, U, we use a. Spanish is a language. Oh, but now we have 2 languages, Spanish and Chinese. They're still languages, but we need to change is to are. So we'll write Spanish and Chinese are languages. Put the S on the end, languages. I'd like to help you out with one more, and that is number 11 and 12. An automobile. Automobile is a car. We know that automobile is not an animal, a city, a continent. It is a machine. So on the line, we will write an automobile is a machine, singular. But for 12, the plural, it will say automobiles are machines. Put the S on the end. You're going to practice making singular and plural sentences today. Make sure to remember, if something has to be changed to plural, if it ends in Y, add IES, and remember, use is for singular sentences and are for plural sentences. When you're finished, upload your assignment to Schoology, and remember to go read on your Raz Kids app for 30 minutes and post an answer to our discussion prompt. Have a great day!